Hi guys, Steph here, and yet another lovely pen. Look at that. Some of you eagle-eyed viewers would have actually seen this pen in one of my recent pen hauls, and yeah, this one was purchased by a gentleman over in the USA, so we've just finished it, so hopefully Monday it'll be in the post on its way to him for him to enjoy. What we've got for you is, well, what I'll do, let's go straight to the barrel imprint. Okay, so there's a barrel imprint for you. It says, let me just get it right so you can see it. Very difficult to work in over the camera, but it says the Universal Pen, Conway Stewart, London, and then just underneath you've got the model number 479. So let's give you a different angle, see if that's any clearer. So we need to give it a little bit of light, but hopefully it's nice and clear for you. As I say, the Universal Pen, Conway Stewart, London, and underneath very clearly 479. Sorry, and at the bottom here we've also got somewhere, there we go, made in England. Made in England when? Well, these particular pens, the 479s, came in lots of different colours, different variations, earlier models, mid-time models, and this one I believe is what they term as a later model. They were made between 1931 and I believe to sort of 1950s. This one I'm dating, I don't know, round about sort of late 1930s, 1940s. And as you can see, hopefully you've already noticed, it comes in this lovely black chased pattern. It's a lever fill fountain pen, as you can see. So we've got a nickel lever there with the Conway Stewart logo, and then if we take you up to the cap there, we've got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, again in nickel. To the top there we've got the Conway Stewart logo, and to the very top we've got this peaked cap stud to the very top of the pen there. All in all, gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. It's a lovely size as well. It's actually 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's just a sort of tad, well, I'd say about 11.5, getting towards 12 millimeters in diameter. So as I say, a lovely sized fountain pen. Let's unscrew the cap for you. As I say, these came in many different variants, different colours. I believe these sort of chased patterned one are actually one of the most popular ones, and again, very unusual to find one in this lovely condition. When I say lovely condition, I've actually disassembled the whole pen. I've actually cleaned everything inside the section, the feed, the nib. We've put a brand new sack in the pen, so it's ready for the customer to enjoy for many years to come. The section there, slight taper towards the nib there, and if we show you the nib, you can see we've got a nice Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib. Okay, there's a sideways view. You can see the feed underneath there, and as always when we show you the feed underneath, even the feed has been cleaned as well, so everything is lovely and clean. Okay, as I said, a lovely size pen, very comfortable to hold, very comfortable to write with. Even with me with my large hands, it's still nice and comfortable. Now, because this pen has been fully serviced, as I say, it'll be winging its way Monday back to, well, not back, but to the United States, so I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure for the new owner. But what we'll do, because I know you people like to see the pen's writing, I'm going to simply dip it in some ink to the side there, and let's see how the pen writes. So we've got a Conway Stewart number 479. Made in England. Let's give it another little dip. It's writing very nicely. I would say it's writing with a medium line. It feels to have a little bit of flex. Yeah, so there we go, look at that. So on the downward stroke, if we apply a bit of pressure, you can see we're getting a much broader line. So yeah, I would say it's got a slight flex to the nib, and as you can see, writing very nicely and writing with some variation in the line. So what we'll do, we'll clean that once we've done the video, we'll get it packaged up, and we'll get it sent off to the customer in the USA. So there we have another gorgeous example of quite a sought after pen in this lovely sort of engine turned pattern, in beautiful condition with nickel trim, which I think looks very attractive towards or against the black, but a gorgeous example. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. As always, leave a comment below, don't be shy, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, just give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up, because, well, I believe that sort of helps it for whatever reason, I don't know. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, from me and this lovely pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.